Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Comnet router. Resetting your router can resolve many common network problems, like slow speeds or dropped connections. It's also useful if you've forgotten your login credentials or want to clear all custom settings. This process returns your router to its original factory state, making it a powerful troubleshooting tool. First, let's talk about a soft reset, also known as a power cycle. Simply unplug your Comnet router's power cord from the electrical outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Give the router a couple of minutes to boot up completely. This simple step can often clear temporary issues without erasing any of your saved settings. For a full factory reset, you'll need to find the small reset button on your Comnet router, usually recessed to prevent accidental presses. With the router powered on, use a paper clip or a similar pointed object to press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. Release the button, and the router will restart, returning to its original factory settings. After a hard reset, your Comnet router will revert to its default settings. You'll need to reconnect using the default Wi-Fi name and password, usually found on a sticker on the router itself. Then, access the router's web interface to set up a new, strong administrator password and reconfigure your personalized network settings, including your Wi-Fi name and password.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.